Can you include fridge or pantry resets as part of the clean?
Yes, this is a highly requested add-on for families moving back in after a renovation, and we're happy to help. We can remove all protective film and dust from fridges, freezers and pantries. Wipe down and disinfect shelves, drawers, door seals and handles. Reset items neatly if already purchased or prepared for unpacking. Discard expired items if directed. Post-renovation, kitchens are often the dustiest, stickiest and most disorganized space, especially after weeks without proper storage or food systems. We'll ensure everything is clean, fresh and ready for real use, not just photos. You can also combine this with our laundry reset, linen sorting or fridge restocking service for the ultimate return to normal comfort.